Amy Schumer gets shade from the West. Hey guys, it's Kristen. So Amy Schumer and Kanye West and Kim Kardashian and several other biochemists and all sorts of people were at the Time 100 gala last night. The Time 100's most influential people in the world. Yes, Kim Kardashian and Kanye West are both on that list, people. So Kim and Kanye are walking the red carpet, feeling all influential and like they're the hottest-ish there. And then Amy Schumer decides to pull Kanye. Basically, she falls on the ground and no one helps her up. I mean, obviously it's a joke because it's Amy Schumer, but no one helps her up. And Kim and Kanye literally look down at her, like heads are still up and they just like, really, bitch? This is Time magazine. Like, this is, I understand, okay, the Grammys, yes, but Time magazine's most influential people in the world, and she does that. Like, this is like a Borat move. Like, what are you doing? But you know what? Some people are saying that it's a taste of his own medicine. Sorry, Kanye, karma's a bitch. Hi guys, this is Anna. I want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube page because we have lots of super fun videos coming up, and you know, you guys can put down in the comments like what sort of funny stuff you guys want us. Give me that pillow. Subscribe.